Hello everyone, my name is Ramzi Al Saidi. This is a final project, digital storytelling about always wear a seatbelt.
Sometimes I don't use a seatbelt.
Why the seatbelt is very important.
Exactly, the seatbelt is very important.
Daddy, tell me a story about the seatbelt.
Okay, I wanted to tell you a story about the seatbelt. Once upon a time, the boy jumps in his car and forgets to put his seatbelt on. He goes to change the radio station. So he looks down and the car in front of him slams on his brakes. He goes flying through the windshield and totals the car. The kid flies into the back of the another car. The guy in front of him called the police. Then when they got there, the ambulance put him on a stretcher. They called the kid's parents and said they didn't have a pulse. The ambulance is now taking the kid to the hospital. The doctor comes to the waiting room and bears the bad news to the family of the kid.
Thank you. I understand the seatbelt is necessary for my health. You must use the seatbelt.
Thank you, my dad.
Thank you for you. Just remember, always wear a seatbelt. Thank you for your time.